Hello guys, this is Shraddha and I have came up with new video that how you can create a website in just 5 minutes. So I'm going to tell you step wise, so please follow the steps. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and don't forget press the bell icon. Yeah, so let's start the video. So on the Google search for sites.google.com. After clicking, you can see this first website. Just click on that and don't worry, I'm going to give this website in description. So here you can see there are some templates and the blank template. So you can just click on this template gallery. After clicking, you can see, yeah, so here you can see that they have given some templates for personal portfolio, for events like health center, then projects, teams, then there are some templates for small businesses like photo portfolio, restaurant, saloon. Also, there are some templates for educational purpose like for club, student portfolio, classes. And also there is one blank, so you can just create by your own. So I'm going to create the website for club today. So I'm going to click on this club. So after clicking on this club, you can see that you can write the name of club. So I'll write Island Explorers. So you can just select this text. You can change the font. After clicking on this more font, you can get more fonts. So I'll just add this one, Oswald. You can change the size. You can make it bold. Also, you can make it italic. You can use underline. Here you can insert the link. Here you can align it for center, right or left. I'm just aligning it in center. So here on three dots you can, so if you want any strike, so you can just click on this. Yeah, so after that you can see, like, here they are asking at the left corner you can add the logo and you can write the name of club. So I'm just going to write Island. And for logo, I have downloaded one logo. Like, you can create the logo. For creating the logo, I'm going to share one video. Just click on this logo. Here you can see there is the upload option. So just click on upload. You should select this logo. Yeah, so here there is the purpose, that what is the purpose of your club, why, tell your visitors. So you can write it by your own. So you can just change the images as you want. You can caption this like teamwork and writing teamwork. So you can just what things the club has done, they can just mention over there. For YouTube, like, just click on this YouTube symbol. You can add the link of video. So I'll take one of my videos link which I have just paste it. You can search it, you will get the video. Just click on that video and select it. So you can see this. You can also adjust it properly. Here you can add the presentation by clicking over here. And also for this footer, you can just hide it or you can just show it. So this is the home page. You can just go on event page. Here you can write the event name, like I'll write something Buttercup. You can just change any font or size. So yeah, here you can see this is the text box. You can add the text box like that. You can write something. Here you can see the images. You can just upload the image. Here you can see the embedded option where you can just add the link to navigate, and here you can see the embedded code. You can just write the code. You can, if you want anything from drive, you can just select it from drive. So here are the blocks which you can add as per your requirement. So there are many things like you can add chart, you can add forms, sheets, slides, documents, map, calendar, YouTube video, divider, placeholder, buttons. You can add buttons as per your requirement. So here you can see this is the calendar option. You can add the calendar. Just click on that. Just I'll insert holidays in India. So after that you can add the upcoming events. So you can write any name of the event. You can add the photo. You can past events. You can add the past events. I'll add something. You can just upload it. I'll upload some images which I have downloaded. You can just add it by your own. Here you can see the anchor image, and also you can remove the readability. So if you click on that, you can't see it properly. So uncheck it. So here you can see the third page, which is about. You can write about your club. So how your club got started. I have written something. I'll just copy paste that. So here you can just add the images. Like I am going to add the same images. You can add it as per your own. Just I'm giving the example that how you can use this template. Then who are we? Then like this you can add the images. Also there are 3 pages. So you can add it. You can add the pages. So just click on this plus icon. You can get new page. So you can write the name of page, like I'll write contact. So the new page is created. Also you can add the new link and new menu for the page. So I'll just write contact, and in insert I'll just insert the block. So in this block you can add the image, you can write something, contact details. You can add the buttons as per your requirement. Yeah, so you can just preview it. After clicking on preview, so you can see the mobile view, the tablet view, and the large screen view. Just click on home. Yeah, so we will see that how it looks in mobile phone. So yeah, now so here you can see all 4 pages which we have created. in tablet view also, and in large screen. So now we will publish our website. So just click on publish. So the custom domain will be sites.google.com, and you can write the name like, yeah, so I'll write this name. So just you can click on publish this. You can see the view publish site. You can just click on this view public site. Yeah, so you can see the website. Wow, it is so good. Like it is free. You can use it to for your small businesses. You can see. So you can see it is perfectly, it has been customized and without actually paying anything. So yeah, it will be the recommended method for you guys for starting up. I also recommend this Discover website for working as freelancer. So this is the one of the best way to get started for setting up your business online by Google website. So if this video is helpful to you, please subscribe to my channel, share this video and like it. If you have any questions, so let me know in the comment section. I'll try to respond you back. Have a nice day. Bye bye.